This is going to be shaky and awful. We're at University of Georgia, way back over there in the Tate Student Center. John is witnessing to people. I came walking down here only to discover that there's a group of people giving away that booklet. All right, let's see how it's going for these guys. All right, so tell me, have you received any persecution?
Not
Has
yet.
anybody threatened your life?
Not yet.
Not yet. All right.
Not yet, yeah.
How difficult is it to give away that booklet?
It's easy. It's easy. Yeah.
Like the man said, get your copies at wretched.org/purple.